My camera recording? Yeah. Try to eat a cookie, I forgot. Using yours or mine? Yeah, nice, dude. Here. That's nice. Dude, last time I did that to Chris, I went behind him like, chop, chop. You're out, chop, chop. Yeah, what ninja is now? You do? Yeah, two of them. Yeah? What'd you do? Chop, chop? Boom. Turn around, piece all the guy down. I could really just taste it, you know, behind him. Oh, yeah? And he's like, huh? He looked around, oh, man. Dude, well, this round you'll be shooting him. Yeah. Here. That's dirty, man.
Full force players, last call. You got it.
Tac City. How much is that badge? Like $2. Oh, okay. And why don't you get this one, Jeremy? You don't have too much. I think it's it. How many mil? How wide is it? It's like 30, I think, right? 30? Oh, this is 40. Take it off, put it on. I have 30. I just put some tape around it. You have 30, 41, 45, and 35 to 40. Should about that one. Really? Same category. It could be something like no one knows you. No band on the Damn. Where all the no bands go? Where'd all the no bands go? Dude, they all bounce. That's two to go? That's three. I need 4 to go over. We got 2 right here. No, Ninja has to stay. Ninja's our backup. I mean, our main support.
What's up, my ninja?
We don't move until we clear the...
Is that a racist thing calling him a ninja?
No, this is the Ninja.
Yeah. Oh. DJ, what's up, my ninja?
Now you're still, what are you doing, Grandma?
Oh, I'm just grooming my flag. Do you mind?
Are you here by yourself? You're together? You're here by yourself. I can see this from sides.
Oh, that's mean. You here by yourself?
Yeah. Just to let you guys know, switching around a lot is going to happen on nights like this where I got to run 2 different game types every other game. So get used to it for Thursday.
Good idea. What?
Alright, so this is a full force
party
game.
mag?
That means shooting up close is allowed. And kind of under rugged courage. No, I'm just kidding. But it is allowed.
Oh, yeah.
Shut up. You know, just don't be a jerk about it. Use your heads and it'll be fun. You get my no band in the far back right corner. Or no, scratch that. Back left corner. Band, this corner right over here. I just started, so let's get out of here.
That's a good idea you have right there. Just put...
But they guess you're twisting sides all the time.
Yeah, right? So convenient. Yeah, just tilt it like that. Johnson, let's shoot it like this, alright? What's up, cuz? I'll go right.
I'm going to go right too.
I don't know how to shoot left.
Yeah, me neither.
If I go left, I'm confused. We're in the middle? Alright.
Someone go inside GI.
Yeah, they're gonna go in the gym. Hope you guys.
Yeah, me and him.
Go. Watch back door. No, I'm just saying. I knew it! My bad. My knee hurts. I need my knee brace. Whew. We got murdered. All bands.
Something far away, man. I've seen that for a while too. Oh, yeah? Yeah. I'm trying to get the 3 of them over there. Dude, we heard you scream from the other side.
Like,
Dude, I like using your gun, yeah.
cool, that was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you.
Shit. Huh? You don't rush your pistol? Shit. Dude, I just told you I rush.
You can't shoot from far.
I know, you have to rush with a pistol.
And then you die right away.
That's what she said.
I'm getting in.
I'm gonna take it.
No, yo. You run and I'll follow you, I'll watch back.
You run, I'll watch your back.
Ain't faster. We're just gonna run down, man. We're just gonna run non-stop.
Are we playing big boy rules?
Yeah.
Go. Left side, left side. Ah, hit. Hit. Where'd I get hit from? You got hit, and then I'm like, where did that come from?
I thought a guy was running up.
Oh, really?
And then he didn't do anything.
No?
And then I walked up behind him, and I got shot. I was like, where did the guy shoot from? Where did the guy shoot from?
Yeah, they were shooting from my hand.
Dead so quick?
I was so fast, dude. I was the first one out.
Yeah. That's your rushing.
I'm thinking with a pistol still, that's why.
You gotta play slower. Because it takes a while to...
Yeah, I peeped in, I didn't see nobody. So I just in the side of the head. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. And I know how you shot quick, because you're quick, you move quick. Give me a chance to play
What happened to everybody?
You know, chilling.
Down, huh? Like those army guys.
I don't know, I think they're in the room maybe. Take a break.
Nice. Double mag.
Hell yeah.
Run out quick or what?
Huh?
Run out quick?
Just in case I have to reload. You never know, man. You never want to have to guess either. You never want to guess. What a noob. I have 300. I counted down every single bullet.
Oh no, I forgot where it was.
Oh shit. And then 294, 293.
What am I gonna do now?
I called yourself out.
Out. I don't know how many bullets.
I'm gonna go count how many I have.
Young, you want a dual pistol?
Yo,
You want a dual pistol?
you dual pistol.
You're gonna take GI house again? Hold
Lighter,
it back.
lighter. Yeah, hold a GI house.
Yeah, so we can come.
Alright.
We got fun.
That's what she didn't say to you.
Your mom called me in the night.
Your mama text me.
Meg?
Meg.
You want to give me a gun?
Oh, you need a mag in the gun. You need a mag for the gun. Once in a while. Hit.
I don't know what to do.
Do bunny hop around the court. Was that last one or was there one more?
One more. Are you? I'm doing that yet? Yeah. They use just one man. Too damn hard. It's too much to play around with.
You go ta. Oh, I'm running out of battery on my dot.
I'll cover him to pass it through. Cover on the right side, okay? The opening right there?
I'm gonna go this way.
So cover, no. Go past the first wall here.
And then turn right?
And cover the right side.
Okay.
Move fast.
I dropped it. Hit. Woo! Dude, I knew it fell. But I was rushing, I couldn't stop.